Today I would like to do a speed comparison between the iPhone 7, the one on 15.5. This one it is on 15.5 and this one on 15.4.1. And let's see whether Apple improve the speed or it slow down your phone. And both of these devices are the iPhone 7. And let's go ahead and check in setting. So in setting here, you can see by about. So we have 15.4.1 and 15.5. So now let me go ahead and test from apps, games, a third-party app, and including Geekbench score. So now let's go ahead and go into FaceTime. It seems like 15.4.1. Let's go into calendar. I'm trying my best to click on the app at the same time, and with this one it seems like the speed is similar. Now let's go into photo. They both share similar speed. Let's go into camera. This time it seems 15.5 first. And now let's go into mail. 15.4.1 first. Let's go into clock. They both launch at the same time. Let's go into map. This one 15.4.1 first. Let's go into weather. They both open at the same times. Now let's go into note. So with this one, if you compare to iPhone SE, I think iPhone 7 does a better job. So now let's go into reminder. 15.4.1 first. Now let's go into the App Store. Uh, 15.4.1 first. And let's go and go deeper. They both launch at the same time. Let's go into setting. It is very similar. Now let's go into third-party app. So let's go into Facebook. They launch at the same time. Let's go into Messenger. So now let's go into TikTok. It seems like 15.5 first. Let's go into Instagram. And this time is 15.4.1. Overall, both of these devices are open apps almost at the same time. But now let's start with Geekbench score and see the exact result. From here, I have already tested before. Let's go into history and CPU. And from here, you can see 15.4.1 give you a better score. So on a single core you get 171 and on multi-core you get 1418, and whereas on iOS 15.5 you get 167 on single core, and then you get 1269 on multi-core. Here are the exact result, but when you open the app, I think that they share very similar speed. And for those of you that having battery issues, I think you may need to update your iPhone 7 to 15.5. Last night Apple released iOS 15.6 beta 1 to the developer, and so if after the public release, I will make more video. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this one. Then I will see you guys in the next video.